안녕하세요 여러분, Camilla here. Today I'll be answering the question, what is the meaning of the Korean word 당기다? The word 당기다 is used to express the action of pulling something closer to you. The action is characterized by pulling something with force. For example, 어부가 그물을 당기다 means a fisherman pulls the net. 방아쇠를 당기다 means to pull the trigger. The word 당기다 is the opposite of 밀다, meaning to push. You can find doors at shops or restaurants in Korea with a sign saying 당기세요, which means please pull to open. On the other side of the door, you will see 미세요, which means push to open. The word 당기다 can also be used when moving forward or reducing a set time or date. For example, 결혼식을 내년에서 올해로 당기다 means to move forward a wedding from next year to this year. 약속 시간을 당기다, which means to move an appointment to an earlier time. We discuss questions like this inside of the 90-day Korea members area every day. Find out more about the memberships by going to 90daykorean.com. See you again. Bye!